Hi family and friends, let's cook us some delicious curry goat. Okay family, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the delay in this video. I know it's way past Christmas. Like I said in the video, I have an ear infection from a sinus and I didn't get to upload the video when I was done on Christmas Day, and I'm slowly getting back into it. I'm feeling a lot better, but I still have the ear infection. So I hope you guys did have a Merry Christmas, and yeah, be safe like always. Let's get into the video. Okay, family and friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you, wherever you are. To you and your family, wherever they are. Wish you guys a Merry Christmas. So today, excuse me, honey, I'm in the kitchen for a morning. So today I'm gonna do the curry goat. Okay. In this pot here, I have some oil. So I'm gonna burn my curry, as you guys know. This curry is beta pack curry. It's one of my favorite curries, actually. All right. We're just gonna stir it around because that's why we're burning the curry. Sorry for the noise that my spoon and my pot is giving. So stir that around. You see smoke like that. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke coming up out the pot. That's how I burn my curry. Alright, and then I have my bag here with all my goat meat that's already seasoned since Tuesday. I have a video on that. You guys can check it out. All of it going in. All that seasoning, all that, you see everything is still on there. And this is the bowl that I took it out since last night. That's just old, that's just blood. So we're gonna give this a stir. I already boiled up some water sitting already. To make sure all of the meat get coated with that curry. See how beautiful that is, and it smells so good too. Just like that. And I'm going to cover this up and let it cook. Let it get some juice and everything for maybe about 20 minutes. Okay, family, so let's come back and check this. That's how it look. Alright, let me tilt the pot a little bit for now. Like that. Look how beautiful that look. So I'm going to give this a stir. Nice and beautiful. The color is amazing. I don't know if my camera go on the true color. See that? Oh yeah, and this pot wanna see right here, so you can see right here, so that's some soup. I got it this morning and fix some soup. Alright, so this look good. So what I'm going to do, I have my kettle. See, I'm somebody in burning bubble of water for now. And I'm just gonna add some hot water, and I'm going to add it to one section. Hold on there. Hold on, I'm in an awkward situation. Just like that. Still bubbling because the water is hot. Just like that. And then I'm gonna cover this up and just make this go. No, I'm not gonna trouble it. I'm gonna let it go for about 30 minutes. And then I will come back and show you at 30 minutes. I haven't cooked curry goat in so long. So I don't know the anticipation, right? So I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, guys, I have like, it's still not 30 minutes, it's not up, but I just want to recheck it. My husband say cook. You know, I'm coming here, but I'm about to cook. So the water did go down some, as you guys can see. All right, so yeah, the water did go down some. So I'm gonna add some more water to this and just let it keep on cooking, right? Because you know, want it, even though it's seasoned and everything, we still want it to fit nice and good up, good up. Add some more water. Continue boiling. I'm gonna refill my kettle, and yeah, good old Christmas dinner. I am so excited, y'all. I cannot wait. Scrape off all I seasoning from around the sides. All right, so we'll be back. So let's take a look here. This has been going on for about an hour. All right, you see how curry strong. It's one of my favorite curry. All right, so let's take a stir here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's take a test here. Take a test here. I'll roll some more with that piece because you always have to check the one them closer to the bone, as you know. Yeah, those can not done yet. This nice and tender. But I always check my meat them close with the palm bone because I them the one they like this, you know, it's fine because it's small, right? So I'm gonna make this keep on going. Like I say, it's been cooking up for an hour. I'm gonna let this keep on cooking. I still have some water over there, and I'm going to cut up my my aromatics like my onion, my scallion. Put some more thyme, and then I'll taste the pepper for I'll taste it for pepper, like the Scotch bonnet pepper and all of that. And then while that is going, I'm going to also get my white rice started, and then I have some chicken I am going to fry. So I will be back. I won't show you guys the fried chicken. Maybe not. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, me I do the thing. It's about almost 4:30 now. So I've been in here since about 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, something like that. So alright, so like I said, I'm gonna get everything going, my aromatics, my onion, my stuff like that, and then I'll be back. Okay, family, it's probably about 5 minutes since I've been oh sorry, I last recorded. So I'm gonna go in with my aromatics. I have one whole onion here. One whole onion going in. I have a couple sprigs of thyme, about 6. I have 2 small green onions. These were really small at the supermarket I went to this morning, so I just use these 2. And my ginger and garlic mixture. Okay. Put that in. Give that a mix. I always put it in when everything is, not say almost close to done, but look at that that piece of bone. This right just come out of that. That's good. Good, good, good. Alright, so at least meat not mashed out and my stuff, my onions and stuff not cook. Some people don't like their onions like that in their food, but we do here. Like I always say, do what's best for your kitchen, your family, your household. And if you're still watching this video, thank you very much for tuning in today. And I wish you and yours a Merry Christmas. Okay, so I'm going with this. I have a piece already in there, but you know, adding water and everything like that, so I'm just gonna leave that right there. If it bursts, we're fine with it. The kids are not gonna one of my son might eat some. He don't like curry, but he might give it a try. My other son, like me say, me I cook fried chicken, so that's right up his y'all hear him? That's the one I was just about to tell y'all about. So that's right up his alley. So I am going to re-season this because my taste beside meat, yo, it's tender. It's nice and tender, but I just need to re-season it. All right, add back some flavor, and it tastes good. It tastes really good. I'm happy. It worth the money because the goat was 93 pounds, but it wasn't just for my household. My mom and I split the goat in two. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in now with some black pepper. Oh, I'm gonna go in with my Jamaican seasoning blend. All right, then I'm gonna go in with some onion and garlic powder. Today I must see my mess there because I mess up so much today. My head hurt, my neck hurt. I have an ear infection, you guys, and let me tell you something. It's not pretty. Okay, so that was some onion powder, some garlic powder, some Jamaican seasoning blend, and we add some salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm not gonna add too much till I re-taste it because you know salt you can add in, but you can't take him with. All right. You're supposed to when you cook stuff like meats like these, you have to re-season your pot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know because you continue adding water and the seasoning and everything that was in there, the water that you keep on adding just keep on taking away that seasoning, so you have to re-season your pot. All right, so all of that onion, I'm gonna take out this. My hand them clean off of my pot. Take out all that onion and all of that in there. So I'm just gonna let this keep on going. I don't want it to mash out either. I don't want it to mash out anyway. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Right now it's on high. I'm gonna keep my eye on it for I'm gonna let this go for about 20 minutes and then I'll check it. I'm gonna check it off camera and then I'll come back and show you guys when everything is almost done. All right, family. So look at that. Yo, let me tell you something. You don't have to believe me, but me I tell you, my kitchen smell good. My girl, yo, sister, the kitchen and it is. Oh yes. No, me not just no. This is exactly how I want my gravy. Nice, and this is still some onion. Then that's all right. Cause guess what me I do? Me I turn this down and I'm gonna leave it. So then we still just this is not great. Just then we're true. Let me taste my gravy. Okay, hold on. Let me taste this. Hold on. You don't want some? Text me on the address. Send it to me. Oh my god. Yes. Sorry for the camera shake. This, how you call curry goats. Like I said in my video that when I season this up, if we can't, wherever I wanna live, or some we can ship this to uno. May I break this pepper because I need it in here. Let me tell you something. Oh my god, this tastes good. My rice on over there, so that's my rice. What's that, my finger? That's my rice right here. I'm gonna turn this down to low, real low. I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh my lord. I don't know how I feel right now. I not even hold on there. Hold on before I get to it. Even if they don't cook all the way, my girl, I tell you something. My brother, dog, sorry, my brother, or my sister, my girl, family member. I'm gonna tell you something. It will still cook because I'm not turning the fire off. I'm just so put it on low. I don't look here. I don't could. Oh my God. Let's see one other piece. Hold on. Come here. Call somebody and show them. Call them. Come here. So look here. My girl, this I can go a little bit, but that's alright. Don't worry about that. But look here. Look at that. No, I'm broke up too much for show off, you know. Go there. Me tell Uno something. Family. Me soon come back. You see me come back? Uno can't leave now, you know. You see if Uno leave right now. If you guys leave right now, by the time I'm done with the rice and the chicken, then it'll be done. All you gotta do is come in, wash your hands, give me a hug, my family a hug, and we sit at the table and enjoy. But my sick head no good. So that is my curry goat. Like I said, I have my white rice going over there. When that's almost done, then me set up for the fried chicken. Me show them my fried chicken. I use a different oil. I normally don't, but I want a little crisp on my chicken today. A little extra crunch. I mean, my coconut oil give it to me, but I just want that little extra crunch, and I'm using a different oil today. So, I'm put on the back up when I start the fried chicken. Okay, family. I am back and I am done. Let me just turn up this because I'm finished with my fried chicken, so that's why the piece look like that. But don't tell me if this don't look good. Look at that gravy. Yes, so what I do right now, I'm going to plate. So give me a couple minutes. I catch my breath. My son will laugh off of me. Look at boy there, you see. So give me a couple minutes on my plate and come back. Family and friends, dinner is served. You have your nice sweet plate of curry goat, right? And then put some rice on the side. What better than that for Christmas? You guys, thank you so much. Oh, and here's my fried chicken. I told you I didn't show it, but that's how it look right there. All right. So yeah, that is it. My curry goat with white rice for Christmas. Big sip in a Jamaican family, especially at Christmas time. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and also that like button. And until next time we meet again, family, Merry Christmas. Please be safe, protect yourself, and until then, enjoy your day. Love and peace.